I'm back. I know it's been 1 month, but that's not the point. The point is, today we are going to make something veg. I know veg sounds very depressing, but today's recipe is very masaledar. So there are two types of biryanis. One is chicken biryani and other is mutton biryani. Who said veg biryani? Huh? It's pulao. Pulao! So first, we need a rice cooker. Here's the rice cooker. Then we need some oil. After the oil is heated up, then we are going to add some spices in. Here are some spices: curry leaves, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, black pepper, cumin seeds, and mustard seed. Hey, never mind, there were some technical problems. Let's go. So after the oil is heated up, we are going to add our masalas. Then I am going to add some onion in it. I am going to fry this onion for 2 minutes on high flame. Then I am going to add green bell peppers in it. With some peas also. Fry this also for 2 minutes on high flame. And then add some tomatoes in it. I am adding tomatoes at last because it doesn't need too much heat to cook. After all of this is cooked, I am going to add some ginger garlic paste, then some red chili powder, then turmeric. Then if you have, you can also add some chicken biryani masala for some extra flavor. And in the last, I am going to add some salt. Till the time it was cooking, I washed my rice. But remember guys, whenever you wash the rice, wash at least 3 times. After adding the rice, add little bit of water. And remember, the rice and water quantity should be same. Apply the lid and keep it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, our rice is ready to eat. Bye. Let's see. Yes. Look at that. Let's try. I don't think anything veg is going to overcome this feeling. Best veg rice ever. Not even egg fried rice tastes better.